In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Roblox account to Discord. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Discord on your device and head over to the user settings by clicking on the settings icon, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen. On the user settings, go ahead and head over to the connections section, and this will allow you to connect accounts to your Discord account. So there are a few apps that you can choose to connect to your Discord account, such as PayPal, Reddit, TikTok, Steam, Twitter, eBay, Crunchyroll, PlayStation, Spotify, Xbox. And here, go ahead and click on the Roblox icon to connect your Roblox account to your Discord account. Now, in here, you'll need to sign in to your Roblox account using your login credentials. Once you're signed in to your account, you'll get redirected into a new page where you'll need to confirm your Discord request of connecting your Discord account with your Roblox account. So in here, just go ahead and scroll down and click on the continue button to be able to continue connecting or linking your Roblox account with your Discord account. Now, once you have this confirmed, the confirmation page will pop into your screen, which is disconnected your Roblox account to Discord. Once you head back to your Discord account, you'll be able to see your Roblox account under the connections section. And that's how you can simply link Roblox account to Discord. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.